Hey there.
He did the music that we're using in this clip. And we're in a weird place out in the nowhere of Stuttgart. I'm not sure. Today's vlog is taking a strange turn.
Pull back and go to another gate because this is gate number 2 and we need to be at some other one, so we need to get back down the bridge and then around the corner, and yeah, we'll see.
This is ending badly. Every year the students of the Stuttgart Art School present what they learned over the last 2 semesters and invite the public to see their artworks. Students here are famous for their sometimes weird ideas, their good education and their sometimes case in nice like treatment of technology. And every now and then you see something that brings up the question, well, is that on purpose? Maybe this is a good moment to introduce everybody to the concept of off-axis projectors. Most projectors don't send their light out straight from the optics. Because they are normally sitting on a table in some conference room, they have a shifted lens that sends the light out shifted. This is why we say they are off-axis. And this is why most projectors have screw holes on their bottom. Because if you want to project from a projector that has a higher position, you screw it to the ceiling. Then the projection comes out like this. If you're playing around with the angle too much, you're also going to introduce some heavy focus problems. Unfortunately, even the bigger projectors with lens shift are orientated more to project upwards than downwards. So, if you're projecting downwards, turn it around, use the screw holes or just put it on your shelf upside down. And please, I'm not mocking those students. I'm actually mocking the institution that fails to teach those basic technical skills. That's also not too good. And it is absolutely not exclusive to schools, because I see this in theaters and museums all around the world. Please subscribe if you like what I do, hit that like button if you liked this one, and I'll see you next time.